There we go. Stainless steel screws throughout. Take it off. That's so cool. I'm going to make more of these little platforms. They're really handy. So this one's dedicated. I've got a slope on it so that any water rolls off. Give it a varnish coat later, but I'm going to use it now. Need to get this number 3 blade sorted. I got nearly cut on that yesterday, so I'm just going to smooth it all off. That's the one that did nearly 5 planks yesterday, and it's in superb condition. Hardly anything. One little chip there.